Hello friends, welcome back to Money YouTube Tips English. Today I'm going to share you an important and useful message to all of you friends. Please watch until the end of this video so you can learn the new informations and new technology. Today I'm going to tell you how can we get the call log history of anyone, maybe your friends, our family members, etc. In emergency situations, you can get the call log history and SMS log history. Even the call log history or dial number or received calls deleted on the mobile, we can able to get all those informations by simple method. Now what you need to do is you can open your Play Store and type E2 PDF backup restore SMS call contact Truecaller, and this app will be displayed on your Play Store. If you need, you can install it on your mobile to get the call info very easily. I have already installed these YouTube PDF backup restore SMS call contact Truecaller app on my mobile. So I am opening this app. As you may know that if we deleted any messages or call history our mobile, we cannot get back very easily. From this app you can get it very quickly. Now I'm opening this app. This is the interface of this YouTube PDF app friends. Here you can find PDF backup printable. Take printable PDF backup of SMS call log contact SMS statistics call log statistics. If you want to take the PDF backup of SMS call log or contact statistics, you can click these below the options. Here you can find the 6 options: SMS general call log, contacts, specific contact log, SMS statistics daily, call statistics daily. Friends, you need to remember that if you want to get these informations, you need to install these app with whom phone number you want to collect the information. So remember these things on your mind. Let's see how it is working. Say for an example, I'm clicking the general call log. Here you can choose the timeline. In between some ads have been displaying friends. You can select the time period. Say for an example, I'm clicking 2013 July 1st to 20 June 2020. If you want to get only call log details, you can click the first options. If you want to get only dialed call logs, you can click the second options. If you want to get only received call informations, click third options. If you want to get only missed call history, you can click fourth options. After selecting any one of these options, you can type the file name and press the export to PDF options. After pressing these options, the file will be exported and saved on your YouTube PDF folder on your mobile storage. So now you can click those files and you can easily find the call log informations very easily. Here I have given only tips and tricks, friends. If you really want, you can download this app and use it. This video is made for only an educational purposes, friends. There is another option you can find here, XML backup restore. Backup and restore functionality works with SMS call log, generate backup files with restore it in other device. You can click these options and you can find those files. If you really like this video, give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends and press the subscription option to get more interesting videos in the future. If you feel this video very useful to you, give your comments in the comment box so other people can also get to know about this video is useful or not. Thank you so much, friends, for watching this video.